What's up, goodies, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I slick down my hair and keep it good for the day. I'm going to show you which gel I use and how I do everything to make sure everything stays slicked down and neat. Show you how to do my little baby hairs and keep everything laid to the gods, okay? But before we get into it, you already know what I'm about to tell you. Make sure you're subscribed with your notifications on, okay? And hit your girl with a little thumbs up if you like how I swoop these edges. And let's get right into it. So this is like day, I don't even know, maybe it's been a week. Like, even though you can kind of still see the curls and whatnot, when it gets to this real frizzy stage, I'm over it. I'm over it. And this is when I usually put my hair in my infamous slick back bun. So I'm gonna show you what you need to do to get it slicked. I'll either do like a side part or a middle. Today I'm gonna do a middle. So just take a skinny comb, hit that part, and it doesn't have to go like all the way down your head, but just, oh, that's crooked. Just right about a quarter of the way. Right? Okay. Awesome. Then I'll just take my brush to let the hair know that that's the direction that it's going in, so it doesn't get confused. Alright. And then I'll take this Cantu leave-in conditioner mist, or honestly any type of like conditioning spray or something, just so that my hair is not completely dry as I work on it. And then I'm just gonna brush. And this brush, I don't really remember where I got it from, but it's like not a soft brush, right? Like you need something that's gonna actually move your hair and help it to stay. Using the conditioner mist just helps my hair, at least it helps so that it's easier for me to like put the hair in place and style it and kind of smooth everything out, so that I don't have a lot of lumps and bumps and stuff in my bun. This is the fun part. I've been using, since I let go of Eco Styler Gel many moons ago, I've been using as of late I've been using Cantu's styling gel. Another really good gel that I like is the Main Choices gel. That one is really good too, but this one's pretty big and it lasts long and is a little cheaper, so that's what I'm using. So I'll take a nice chunk and I just work it on both sides. And then once I get the sides, I'll add it to the back. But we're gonna need a fair amount of product, because if this joint is gonna stay down, we're gonna need to add the product. And then I'm just gonna smooth everything down with this brush. This brush is really good because it just helps to grab everything and smooth it down. But as you can see, everything is starting to really smoothen out. And alright, now this is the important part. I like to hold it in like the kind of the style like the ponytail that it's gonna be, and just smooth any extras out with that same rough brush. And then I have a smoother brush that is a lot better for the sides of my hair, because it's a little bit softer and it's a little bit more gentle. And then take a scrunchie I only did 2 loops around because the scrunchie was already doubled, and I don't want to have it too tight, snatching at my hair and tugging at my edges, because you know we want it snatched, but too much tension is no good. Everything is slicked to the slick down. Alright, now the back. I'm literally just gonna donut it, if you remember that. And I'm gonna tuck the ends. And then I'm just gonna put a scrunchie around it. Nothing fancy, just something to hold it down. And then the most important part, I'm gonna take a scarf and I'm gonna tie it down just to ensure that everything stays down while I like do my makeup, find something else to do just to kill time. And then this is it. After I take my scarf off, beat my face, and I'm ready to, you know, do whatever. And my hair is slicked down to the slick down, and that joint is not moving. Shout out to the Cantu gel, because it works and holds your girl down.